Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos with WeTransfer in 2026. Whether you're sending a few pictures or a large collection of high-quality photos, WeTransfer makes the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the WeTransfer website. Sign in to your account if you have one. If not, you can still use the free version to send photos without creating an account, depending on your transfer size. On the home page, click Upload Files *. Browse your computer and select the photos you want to send. You can choose a single image or multiple photos at the same time. After selecting them, click *open* and WeTransfer will begin uploading your files. Larger photo collections may take a few minutes, so wait until the upload is complete. Next, decide how you want to share your photos. You can enter the recipient's email address and send the files directly, or choose to create a download link that you can copy and share through WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other platform. If you're a WeTransfer Ultimate user, you can add a password, set an expiration date, or customize the transfer for additional security. These features are especially useful when sending important or private photos. Before sending, check that you've selected the correct photos and entered the correct email address if you're using email delivery. You can also add a title and a short message so the recipient knows what the transfer contains. Finally, click ** transfer or get link **. Once the upload is finished, share the generated link or let WeTransfer send the email automatically. The recipient only needs to open the link and download the photos to their device. And that's how to transfer photos with WeTransfer in 2026.